Hello everyone, here we have the Milwaukee 25 foot. This is the wide blade, 1.3 inches wide. This is fat and heavy. I use this one outside around the farm. Right now I'm redoing the barbed wire fence, so I'm measuring out the posts. My favorite part about this one is this part underneath. So you can grab it as you extend it out. So right now I can reach my finger underneath and hold it without locking it. And it's so smooth. There's a Milwaukee logo. Look how big those numbers are. 1.3 inches. Love this tape measure.